Okay guys, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So, before we start this tutorial, I'm just going to have to ask you to change the resolution on the camera. So just go to your output and change this resolution to your phone's resolution, because we're doing phone backgrounds at the moment. So, you'll see that the camera is nicely set up on my side for phone backgrounds. I'm just going to press 1 on the number pad. And what we're going to do, we're going to do view, align camera to view. So now we have this nice little side view going on. Come on, to get down. Come on, down. Good boy. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just delete the default cube. What I'm going to do with this is we're going to go with add. And what you want to do is a UV sphere, right click shade smooth, and we're going to go add again. And what I'm going to do for this one, I think we'll do another UV sphere, or maybe, let's see, we'll do a torus. I'm going to go rotate, so let's go by 90 degrees, scale this out, and shade smooth. What I'm going to do with this is, let's go ahead and just make these smaller. I'm going to go and rotate them just around to the side, just here. You press G, bring it up, bring it across. So, for the sphere in the middle, we're going to go new. And we're going to make this metallic and take down the roughness. And for the sphere on the outside, we will go for silver, metallic all the way, and roughness down. So you should end up with something similar or akin to this. So obviously the lighting hasn't been done yet. So what I'm going to do is go to the world settings. We're going to change this to white. So this is kind of up a little bit. You know what? I'm going to actually change this to silver in the middle. And then we'll go for gold on the outside. Just like this. Okay, so once we've got this, we're going to take this as a whole. And we're going to go ahead and we're just going to go Shift D. Duplicate this round. Shift D. And we'll duplicate this again. And we're going to go ahead and go Shift D and duplicate again. Take all of these with box select, shrink them down just ever so slightly. Let's go G, bring this up. It's going to go to the side right here, and we're going to go ahead and just add Shift D, duplicate onto the side right here. I'm going to go and select everything just to scale it down. Press G, bring it up, scale it down again. And what I'm going to start to do now is, let's go with Shift D. We'll move this over just to this side. Copy them. Shift D, we'll move this over to this side. We go Shift D again. And then select everything. Go press G, bring it across, and make sure that it's just central to the piece right here. So now what we've got, these nice little silver gold rings coming around. We're going to go with add. Let's add a plane to the bottom right here. So scale outwards. I'm just going to press G to bring it down. We'll press G as well to bring it across. G to bring it down again. And what I'm going to do with this one is we'll go black with this. Scale it in. And then we'll just elongate it on the side. Press G, move this across. Over that way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just press G, and I'm going to move the camera back. Just to here. And we're going to make this reflective at the bottom. So turn up your metallic, turn down your roughness. Should have something roughly like this. And what I'm going to do with this is, let's go ahead and make this gold less metallic, a little bit more rough. So let me select this. We're going to change this from EV to cycles as well. It's got these nice little gold rings going on. You want to just get your camera as it is. Come on. Let's press G, move it forward. And then I'm going to move it down. Just to here. So once we've got this, we're going to go ahead and just make this a little bit longer just at the back. So we've got that nice little distance coming in. G, move it forward. If it does run out at the back here, all you need to do is just go onto your camera, go onto your camera settings, and then end should be 100 meters, and just elongate it a little bit more. So, once we've got this, we now have our little foam background, our little abstract foam background. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the tutorial, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!